In this tutorial, I will show you the recommended way to navigate the NILI Resource Center. On the main page, scroll down to Browse by Community and click on your community. Here, I will click on Eacheskin. On the Eacheskin community page, you will see three things. On the right side are protocols, which represent various groups within the Eacheskin community. Protocols will be covered in another tutorial. On the left, you see Browse all digital heritage in Eacheskin. Below that, there are a few digital heritage items, followed again by Browse all digital heritage in Eacheskin. The Browse all digital heritage link takes you to the page with all of the Eacheskin content. Click on that link. Here, you will see digital heritage items on the left. You could just scroll through all of them, but as you'll see, there are a large number of items, and that would take a long time. Going back up, if you look on the right side, you see search. If you know the precise spelling of what you are looking for, you can use this search feature. Let's scroll down and you will see collection. Each collection is a group of digital heritage items. This list of collections provides an overview of all the material on the site. Notice that you can see more collections by clicking on Show More at the bottom of the box. Clicking on a collection will take you to the items in that collection. First, though, I want to point out that you can also see items based on category, here, and media type. Digital heritage items can be PDFs under File, audio files, images, and videos. If you click on a collection, such as Eacheskin placemats, it will show you the items in that collection. Then, if you click on an item, it will take you to that item. And on the item, you will see a link that takes you to the item and a summary of the item below. Below that, you may also see related items as well as related dictionary words. You can click on the related items or dictionary words to go to those things. On the right side of the page, you will see metadata for that item. To return and browse other items, you can click on the back arrow in your browser or at the top of the page where it says Search Results. This takes you back to the placemats collection. To continue back to the main Eacheskin page, you can click on Eacheskin at the top of the page. You may also deselect Eacheskin placemats under Collection. Then, to return to the main page at any time, you can click on the NILI symbol at the top left of the page or click on Home. Thank you for using the NILI Resource Center.